In every single day on AM Buffalo Schoolhouse 7 on the way. But first, you might want to do an insurance health check. Now is the time. I spoke with Michael Sperezza from the Financial Guys. He's an expert, and here is what he had to say on that.
Here on Zoom, we have Michael Sperezza. Hi, Michael, from the Financial Guys to walk us through how you help people.
So we have many different departments here. My department specifically, though, is the home and auto department. So what we do is we help a lot of people with their auto insurance, their homeowner's insurance, recreational vehicle insurance, business insurance, umbrella insurance, you name it. We help people around the area in Buffalo, but also Rochester and Florida, to help people really find the best pricing for their insurance and the best coverage for their insurance. We tell people, give us 14 minutes, we'll shop your insurances with our over 25 companies that we have. What we end up doing is we complete fact finders with clients, make sure we get all the information needed to quote. A lot of the times what I do is I'll see a few companies that are really competitive for that client, and then we can, review coverages and really see where they are now, where they probably should be. Maybe you were with a certain liability limit years ago and now you should be bumped up a little bit. So we really take a look at not only price, but coverage too.
Do you find that a lot of people come to you and have no idea how much they could have been saving, or perhaps they weren't covered in the way that they should have been covered?
That happens more than you think, actually, yes. So a lot of times, certain people will stay with companies for, let's say, 10, 20, 30 years. Rates continue to climb over years and years and years. So we generally find that if we shop people, every 2 to 3 years, we keep them competitive in the market. On the other side too, though, coverage is also an issue. Maybe deductibles need to be changed. Maybe you started out with really low deductibles and you want to bump those a little bit. That's a way to save money. Pricing's going to change, coverage is going to change, your personal situation is going to change over time.
What is the most important thing to know about insurance?
Speaking as the insurance guy, I would say the insurance coverage. Of course, price is important. Everybody looks at price at the bottom line, but I think coverage is so important. Liability is so important. On homes, maybe what your replacement cost to your home is very important. I could find policies that are cheaper than what everybody has, but if the coverage is not there, that's not going to do you very much. So
usually people would make an appointment and come in and see you. As face-to-face as we're getting now is a Zoom interview. Yep. So what do people do in this day and age, in the current climate? How do we sit down with you right now?
So you have one of two options. We can do this, a face-to-face Zoom meeting, but most people, what I'm doing is they'll email me their current policies or take screenshots and send the current policy to me. I'll review it, and then I'll set up a 10, 15-minute call just to gather all their information, make sure I have everything I need. And then at that point, I'll go and shop for them and then email them quotes, and we review everything over the phone.
Oh, that's fantastic. So what is the best way for us to get in and book an appointment?
So give us a call, 716-633-1515. Call the office. You'll get Hannah. She'll send you back to my department, and we'll get you on the calendar. I'll talk to you directly. We can do it right on the spot. Or you can go on to financialguys.com and you can request a meeting on there as well.
Now, thank you, Mel. If you'd like to know more, we do have that information for you, but think about that for a second. I mean, did you just pick insurance and you're used to just signing that check every month? But do you know if you actually got the best deal? Well, you've got a guy here who will actually research that. He could save you money every month, and boy, we all need that. So like he said, just head out to financialguys.com. Look him up. You have the time, and let's see if they can save you a few bucks.